Hello, my name is Eric. I'm 25 years old, and I teach English. I'm glad you all could join me today. In this video, I'll talk about my family. I'll talk about the people I love, the things we do together, and how we enjoy our time together. It's a simple story, and I hope you can learn some new words and improve your English speaking. Let's start with my family. I want to tell you about my family. I love my family very much. There are 4 people in my family: my mother, my father, my younger brother, and me. We live in a small house in the city. My family is very important to me, and I want to share some details about each person. My mother's name is Sarah. She is very kind and helpful. She wakes up early every day to make breakfast for our family. My mother works as a teacher. She teaches English to children at a school. She loves her job because she enjoys helping students learn music. My mother is also very good at cooking every night. She makes dinner for us. I think she is the best cook in the world. My favorite food is spaghetti, and my mother makes the best spaghetti. Sometimes she also bakes cookies, and they are very yummy in the evening. After dinner, my mother likes to read books. She loves reading about history and stories. Sometimes I sit next to her and listen while she reads. My mother is a very caring person. If I feel sad or worried, she always knows how to make me feel better. She talks to me and gives me advice. I feel very lucky to have such a wonderful mother. My father's name is Michael. He is very strong and smart. He works as a doctor in a hospital. My father helps people who are sick. He works very hard, but he always makes time for our family. Sometimes he comes home late from work, but he still spends time with me and my brother. We always talk about our day, and he tells us stories about his work. My father loves sports. He likes to play football and basketball every weekend. We play football together. My father is very good at football, and he always wins the game. He teaches me how to play better, and we practice together in the backyard. My dad also loves to travel, and every year our family takes a trip to a new place. Last year, we went to the beach, where we swam, built sandcastles, and played volleyball. My dad took lots of pictures, and we still look at them whenever we want to remember that trip. My brother is 10 years old, and his name is David. My friend David is smart and funny, and he loves making people laugh. He tells jokes, and we always laugh together. Also, David is very artistic. He likes to draw animals, cars, and even cartoons. Sometimes I ask him to draw me something. David really enjoys video games. He plays video games on his computer a lot. Sometimes I play with him, but David is better at most games than I am. He's also really good at sports. He's very fast and always tries to score goals when we play football with our dad. David is younger than me, but we get along great. We fight sometimes, but we always make up and play together again. We share a room and help each other with our schoolwork. I'm glad I have David as a brother. We live in a small but nice house with 3 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. My brother and I share a bedroom with 2 beds, and we keep our things in there. It gets messy sometimes, but we clean it up together. The kitchen is one of my favorite rooms in the house. My mom cooks there, and it always smells good. Sometimes I help her cook. I like to cut vegetables or stir the food in the pot. My dad also helps set the table for dinner. Outside, we have a small yard with trees, flowers, and plants. The garden is taken care of by my mom, who loves watering the plants every day. I like to sit outside in the garden. When the weather is nice, it's nice and quiet, and I can read or just relax there. In our family, we think it's important to spend time together every night after dinner. We sit in the living room and talk about what we did, what we learned, and any fun things that happened. Sometimes we play board games like Monopoly or cards. My dad always wins at Monopoly, but we still have a great time. On the weekends, we like to play sports together. We go to the park and play football or ride bikes. I like these times because they make me happy and close to my family. My brother and I like to play tag or hide and seek, and we always laugh. Also, every Friday night we watch movies together. We pick a movie to watch as a family, make popcorn, and then sit on the couch and enjoy the movie together. After the movie, we talk about it and share what we liked and didn't like about it. These are great times to spend time together and have fun as a family. We love celebrating holidays and special events in our home, like Christmas. We put up lights and a Christmas tree around the house. My dad puts up the lights outside, and my mom decorates the tree. We give each other gifts and eat a big meal. My mom makes a special Christmas dinner that we all eat together. On birthdays, we always have a party where we invite our friends, decorate the house with balloons and streamers, eat cake, play games, and have a good time. My brother and I love birthday parties because we get to eat cake, play games with our friends, and give each other gifts. These celebrations bring our family closer and make us happy. The time we spent swimming all day in the ocean while on vacation at the beach stands out in my mind. We built sand castles and played volleyball. It was a beautiful day, and we took many shots to remember it. One more special memory is of when we went mountain climbing. We walked up the trails, saw beautiful views, and rested at the top of the mountain. We were all very proud of ourselves when we got there, and we celebrated by taking a group picture. Our family love is very strong. We help and care for each other and always try to make each other happy. I'm lucky to have such a loving family. They are my support system, and I know they will always be there for me. That's my family. I love and am grateful for them. My mother, father, and brother make my life special. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you liked hearing about my family. Please leave a comment and tell me about your family and how you spend time with members of your family. If you liked learning about my family, please like, share, and subscribe to Daily English Guide for more videos to help you improve your English. If you want to speak English more, leave a comment below and tell me about your family. If you have anything to say, please let me know. See you in the next movie.